Teachable is a remarkable online platform that empowers both content and course creators to craft visually stunning websites without needing any coding expertise. It provides essential features like student management, subscriptions for courses and lessons, and secure payment processing. VdoCipher is a sophisticated solution designed specifically for e-learning, content creators, and OTT platforms. It promises an exceptional viewing experience globally while protecting your content from being downloaded or pirated through its robust technology. By using DRM encryption, user-based watermarks, and its own proprietary privacy blocking technology, VdoCipher ensures the safety of your content and boosts your revenue. To integrate VdoCipher with Teachable, start by signing up for a free trial or a paid account on the VdoCipher dashboard. There's no need for a credit card when opting for the free trial. Kick off by uploading your video straight from your system or importing it via platforms like Dropbox or Google Drive. After uploading, your video will go through processing and then be marked as ready for the next steps. Your video is now fully prepared, having undergone encryption and been optimized into various quality levels. To move forward, simply click on the Embed button. Head over to the Quick Embed section, where you can set up the video's time expiry settings. Within this section, you also have the choice to configure domain restrictions for added security. For example, if your website is mysite.com, you can enter mysite.com under the domain restriction settings. Security can be further enhanced with a user-based watermark that displays details like IP, timestamp, and custom text. This dynamic watermark can be customized in terms of opacity or transparency according to your preference. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the size of the watermark for optimal visibility. If you want the watermark to appear selectively, such as starting after 30 seconds for a brief period, you can tweak the skip and move intervals as needed. These settings offer flexibility in how the watermark is displayed during playback. Next, hit the Generate Embed Code button and then select the option to make the player responsive. Finally, copy the generated code to effortlessly embed it into your Teachable website. Now head to your Teachable account. I have already logged in. Now head to your Teachable school. Now head to the course section and choose the course where you want to embed the video. I have chosen this course and I will go to the first lesson. Now click on the Add Content, and in this section, don't click on Video or Embed Media. Go below and click on the Custom Code option. Now here, paste it. Click on Save. Now it's saved. Let's preview it. As you can see, the video is embedded here. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos, or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Finally, our piracy blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.